What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to discuss how I maintain my hair underneath my wigs and like what my hair is doing under the wig. So as you may or may not know, I'm known for switching it up with wigs a lot, changing my hair a lot, and my channel is based mostly around wigs and more specifically synthetic wigs. So one thing that a lot of people forget to do is take care of their natural hair. Now, wearing a wig is definitely a protective hairstyle, but it's only a protective hairstyle if you're taking care of your natural hair underneath. So let that be something that you keep in mind. Let's be very, very clear. You can wear wigs all the time and not touch your hair and not manipulate your hair and stuff like that, and your hair can still be trash underneath the wig. Trash! So you want to be sure to take care of your actual hair. You do not want to neglect your hair underneath your wig. That is something that is so important. Now, for me, I will say that I usually keep my wigs in for a couple of days. The longest I would say is 2 weeks, but what's normal for me is usually 1 week. But that has to do with the fact that I love to change my hair a lot, which is obvious. But also I do a lot of videos on hair, so I'm constantly taking out my hair and recording a new video. So it's a little bit more easy for me to take care of my hair underneath the wigs because every time I take the wig off, I'm washing my hair. So the first thing that I want to mention is that every single time I take off a wig, before putting a new one on, I always wash, deep condition, and take care of my hair before putting the other wig back on. You definitely don't want to go a long time with wearing a wig and then take it off and then use another wig for a long time without doing anything to your hair. Let's be very clear that wigs can dry your hair out. The stocking cap that most likely you're putting on before the wig is very, very drying for your hair. So even when you know, it's always good to oil your hair and stuff like that. The stocking cap is taking that away. It's taking it away. And that's why 9 times out of 10, after about a week of wearing your wig, your hair may get itchy. Like that happens to me a lot. That's because of my hair starting to feel dry. There's no moisture, there's no air, there's no nothing. So usually about a week into me wearing my wig, I'm like, going in, and then I realized that certain parts of my hair are more dry than others. So for me, right here, in the front of my edges and like right here and back here too, all in this front area gets dry so bad. So when I take my wig off, y'all, there has been some times when I have taken my wig off and I was scratching so much underneath, but I was scratching so much with the wig on that when I took it off, I had like scabs on my skin. Not to the point where it was bleeding, but like scabs that like you can peel them off basically. Like it's just really drying to your hair. So I'm going to show you how I prepare my hair for a wig and also what I do with my hair. How do I put it up before I put my wig on? Here we go. So I'm starting by using this repairing mask by Pantene. Of course, you can feel free to use whatever kind of deep conditioner or hair mask that you would like. Of course, this happens after you wash your hair. Look at how this mask was doing my hair. Like I'm speechless.
So now that my hair is washed and it's been deep conditioned, I'm actually leaving the hair mask in my hair, 2-strand twisting my hair, putting the shower cap on with the twist underneath, and I'm going to just let my body heat do its work. Then I'm putting on a scarf on top of this and going to sleep just like that. I'm putting this mask on overnight. So the next day I washed out the hair mask while my hair was twisted. I kept the twist in the whole time. Now that my hair is cleansed, I'm taking out the 2-strand twist and showing you guys my hair freshly washed with no product in it. So these are the 3 products that I'm going to be using and putting throughout my whole hair before I braid my hair up, preparing it for my wigs.
Okay, so after I have put all of the product in my hair is now feeling good. It's been washed, got some moisture going on, got some oils, got some everything. What you want to do is braid your hair back. I am not good at cornrows, so trust me, you don't have to be an expert. But I will say that it's the best way to make sure that your hair is flat underneath your wig. A workaround for cornrowing, if you really can't do it, is to just single braid or twist your hair. Do singles, but then what you'll do is like bobby pin them back or pin them all back in a way that your hair is still flat. I've done that sometimes too, but 9 times out of 10 I just cornrow my hair back. And then I'll take I put all the braids together in the back. I'll take a bobby pin and I'll take all my hair that's hanging right here, the braids, and I'll pull it up and I'll just bobby pin that. Then when I'm done with that, I take oils. So there are a few oils that are really good for different things. One good oil that I use for my scalp before putting my wigs on. Now this is once my hair is braided. I have easy access to my scalp already because my hair is cornrowed back. I highly recommend black castor oil, regular castor oil, avocado oil. Those are so good. My scalp loves those 2 oils. There's plenty of other ones, and I'll actually do a video on my top oils that I like to use. They can also be combined into one big oil mixture. So I would take the oils and put those on each row, put it on my edges, put it back here in the back, moisturize the oils in, and now we are ready to go. So I'll put the stocking cap on my cornrows, and once I put the stocking cap on, baby, it's time to put the wig on. There's nothing else to do, there's nothing else to say. Now, like I said, it all depends on how long you plan on keeping this wig on your hair, because I personally feel that it's almost best if you take it off every day. Like, there's a lot of people who just put the wig on at the end of the night when they're ready for bed, they take it off. If you're one of those people, I would say keep doing that because that's awesome. You can actually oil your scalp every day, and you're just giving your hair more oils, more moisture, and 9 times out of 10 your hair will probably take to it really well and grow a lot underneath your wigs. Now, sometimes I understand that when you're putting your wigs on, you may be using glue, or like me, I use the Got To Be glue gel, which is like a glue. And when I put that on, I don't like to take my wig off every day because then I have to go through the whole process of taking that off just to put it back on again the next day, and it's like, So it's okay to go a few days with the wig on. Like I said, a week is usually normal for me. I'll take the wig off and wash my hair, decondition, do the whole steps that you just seen before putting my next wig on. That has been saving my hair. I have noticed growth. My curls are very, very happy once it gets that deep conditioner. So I will say, if you're going to be doing a lot of weaves and a lot of wigs, please deep condition every chance that you get. When your hair is out, deep condition. Also, it's just good to give your hair a break in between these things. So even though I do videos every week, even though I wear weaves and wigs pretty much every week, almost every day, there are times like right now where I give it a break. So I actually didn't even record for a whole week prior to me recording right now for you guys. I went a whole week without doing anything to my hair. I didn't put any wigs on, I didn't even put my hair into tight ponytails and buns. I just let my hair go. What I did was moisturize it every day for the whole week, and I'm pretty sure that my hair and my scalp appreciated that a lot. As you can see right now, I'm still giving my hair a break, but I think that's about it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this content. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or anything like that. And if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, like hello. And I will be back with you guys with another freaking video really soon. Bye guys.